Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will walk you through the process of editing text on your Wix website. So let us get started. First, go to your Wix website and access the left side menu. Under the Site and Apps section, tap on Website to begin editing your website. Click on Edit Site to make the necessary changes. Now, let us focus on the text. If you find that the existing words don't suit your website, it is easy to modify them. Just double-click on the text you want to edit, and a text editing menu will appear. In this menu, you can change the words written by simply typing the new content. Next, you can customize the font and color of the text. To do this, select the specific word or section of text you want to modify, and then tap on Fonts, or any other change you wish to make. If you want to add color to your font, just click on the color option. You can also apply effects and adjust spacing to further enhance the appearance of your text. Once you are satisfied with the changes, the text will automatically be saved, and you can close the menu near the text. Repeat this process for any other text you want to change. With these simple steps, you can easily edit and customize the text on your Wix website, allowing you to create a more personalized and appealing look that aligns perfectly with your site's design and message. That's it. I hope this video helps you out, and see you in the next video.